On this episode of RUE MORGUE TV, learn how to make these blood-soaked dog cookies inspired by Stephen King's Cujo. In Stephen King's Cujo, man's best friend turns into his worst enemy. Fortunately for the crew at RUE MORGUE, that's not the case, and our dogs only attack us with ferocious tail wags and lots of kisses. And these homemade dog cookies are the perfect way to reward them. These crunchy dog cookies include safe and easy to digest ingredients for your pup, and a little parsley to help keep their breath fresh. These cookies make awesome gifts, and the best part is you can personalize them with your pup's name. And they also freeze well, so you can always make sure to have them on hand. To get this full recipe, pick up issue number 188 of RUE MORGUE magazine. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of brown rice flour, a 1/4 cup of cooked mashed sweet potato, 2 tablespoons of all-natural creamy peanut butter, 1 large egg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of dried parsley. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a stand mixer, combine the cooked mashed sweet potato, all-natural creamy peanut butter, 1 egg, and dried parsley. Gradually begin to add the brown rice flour and mix until combined. Turn the dough out onto a flat surface lined with parchment paper and knead until smooth. Top the dough with another sheet of parchment paper and roll to a 1/4 inch thick using a rolling pin. The dough should not be sticky, but if you're having problems, dust the surface of the dough with brown rice flour. Use a small bone-shaped cookie cutter to cut out the cookies and transfer them to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. Re-roll any scraps and cut out additional cookies until all of the dough is used. If you're going to be personalizing the cookies, use cookie letter stamps or a toothpick to press the names into the dough before baking. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes just until lightly browned and firm. Who's excited for cookies? For the icing, mix together tapioca starch, Greek yogurt, and red gel food coloring until combined. Use a piping bag or toothpick to apply the icing in blood drips to each cookie. Allow to dry for 12 to 24 hours until completely set. Be sure to check out every issue of RUE MORGUE magazine for more horror-inspired recipes. And if you find yourself hungry for even more, check out my YouTube channel at youtube.com/homicidalhomemaker or my official website, thehomicidalhomemaker.com. And now for the taste test.
Come here.
She's pissed.
Come here.
That could be
Look, I got one for you.